Friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a assembly model of gear Fidget in Autodesk Inventor software. In this tutorial, as you can see here, if I move this gear, all the three gears will be moving. Okay, so this tutorial we are going to make the different parts of this assembly and then we'll join them in one assembly. Okay, so let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. First we are going to make the gear profile. Go to 2D sketch, select the top plane, the XZ plane, rotate the view. Take the circle command from the center point, make a circle here of diameter 24, zoom in and from same center diameter 30. Okay, now go to line command and make a line here, escape, go to dimension, first point from the center point. Okay, this will be at a height of 20 and this total distance will be 2 mm. Okay, now escape. Now drag this side, go to vertical constraint here, select the center point of this line and select center point of the circle. Now you can see the fully constrained. Now this is for the tooth profile. Go to arc command and select 3-point arc. Select this point and select this. Okay, go to dimension, define this radius as 10 mm and the dimension from the center point here, the distance will be 5.35 by 2. Okay, now escape. Now go to line command, make a center line over here till this point, escape, select this line. Okay, it is selecting the dimension. Select this line, make it construction geometry. Go to mirror command, select this profile, go to mirror line and select this center line, apply and done. Okay, now we want to pattern this. So to make the pattern, go to circular pattern, select this profile, go to axis, select the center point for axis and here take a count of 12 and the angle here will be 360 degree. Press OK. Okay, so this will be the pattern. Now go to trim command and trim this profile here. Here all the profiles we will trim to make it a single entity. Okay, so it will be act as the single sketch when we trim the inner profile. Okay, so you can just click here, then also it will get trimmed. This and this will be the last. Okay, now go to dimension, define this diameter again, so this will be fully constrained. Okay, this was 30, so it is taking 15 radius. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile. Now it is acting as a single profile. Now here the dimension of extrude will be 7 mm and this will be a symmetric extrude. Press OK. Go to home. Now define the appearance. From here I'll define the appearance to orange. Okay, you can just write OR for orange and save it. Make a new folder, assembly folder, and save it as gear 1. Okay, and save. Now we want, with the help of this, we are going to construct the second gear. So I'll show you the assembly. When I select this and hide, turn off the visibility, you can see two type of gears. So in this the bearing is been assembled. So we have made this type of gear now. When I hide this and hide this bearing also, now you can see the second type of gear in which the hole is small. Okay, so with the help of this we are going to make this gear also. Go back to gear 1. Now here go to file, go to save as and here change the name to gear 2 and save. Okay, now you can see the gear 2. Now open the extrude one, select the sketch one and just change this 24 to 8 mm. Enter. Okay, now finish sketch. Now the same profile will be there, only the hole is changing. So we have done like this. Now go to save. So this will be the gear 2. Now exit. Now bring back all the parts which we have hide. So select this, select this, select this top cover, right click and here turn on the visibility. Okay, all the parts are back. Now here we have made the gear profile, this gear and this gear. Now the third part will be this shell. Okay, so go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch, select the top plane, rotate the view, take the circle command from the center point, make a circle of diameter 26. Okay, from same center make a diameter of 8. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile and here we are going to make an extrude of 5 mm. This will be also a symmetric extrude and press OK. Okay. Now select this outer edge and click on fillet. Here we are going to take a fillet radius of 0.5 and this also 0.5. Apply and exit. Now select this edge, click on chamfer. Here the chamfer distance will be 0.5. Rotate the profile and this bottom side also 0.5. Okay. Rotate. Now save it. Save it as shell or seal, you can write seal and save. Now here we have defined the yellow color of the seal. So here also click Y and enter. So the yellow color will be there. Now close this. Okay, save it. Now the third part, the main part will be the cover. Okay, go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now for the cover, it is the main part as it has a 2 number of count. Go to 2D sketch, select the top plane, rotate, select the circle command. From the center point, make a circle here of diameter 36. Okay, and from same center a diameter of 24. And here this side, make here a diameter of 22. From center point, make a diameter of 8. Okay, now go to dimension and define the dimension here from center to center 37 mm. Okay, now go to horizontal constraint, select the center point and select the center point. Okay, now go to line command, make a tangent line from here to this circle, similarly from this circle to this circle. Now go to tangent constraint, select this line and select this outer circle. Similarly select this line and select this circle. Okay, now it is constrained. Similarly do with this, go to circle, line and select this circle and select this line. Okay, now this is fully constrained sketch. Now go to offset command, select this line, drag the cursor inside, press enter and take offset of 5 mm. Similarly select this bottom line, drag the cursor inside, enter and take offset of 5 mm and escape. Double click this and OK for 5 mm, double click this and OK. Okay, now go to trim command here, select this line, this profile, this and this. Okay, now trim this also, trim this and this. Okay, so this will be the final profile. Go to dimension, define this again as 18, define this as 11 and define this outer 18 and this 11. Now this is fully constrained. Now we want to pattern this complete profile to this side, or we want to mirror, you can say. Go to mirror command, select this profile and this profile also. Okay, till this edge. We don't want to pattern this circular pattern. Okay, so go to mirror line, and here, okay, we want to make a mirror line. Go to line, make a line here, a straight line, or till this point you can make. Escape, select this line, make it a construction geometry. Go to mirror and select this profile again. Okay, you can deselect this also. Go to mirror line, select this line, apply, and done. Okay, now go to trim command, trim this and trim this. Okay, go to dimension, define here the offset. Okay, this is defined already. Okay, we will define this radius 18 and this 18 and okay. Okay, now this is fully constrained. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile, and here we are going to take extrude of 7 mm, and this will also be a symmetric extrude, and press OK. Okay, now rotate this profile, and here go to fillet command, take here a fillet radius of 4 mm, go to edge selection and rotate it, select this inner edge, this inner edge, and this, and here this. Okay, similarly this side, select this inner edge, and here this inner edge and this inner edge. Press OK. Now go to home. So this will be the cover profile. From here we will define the color to blue, take the blue color. Okay, and save it. Save it as the cover. Okay, now we are done with all the 4 parts. Save. Now we are going to generate the assembly. Close this also. Go to new, take a standard assembly in millimeter and go to create. Now go to place, go to assembly folder, and here first place the cover part, open and place it over here. Now escape, rotate the profile. So this will be the view in which we will work. Okay, now as it is in moving form, open the cover origin and origin of the assembly. Go to constraint, select YZ plane and YZ plane, apply. Similarly XZ plane and XZ plane, apply. XY plane and XY plane, go to flush, apply and exit. Okay, now go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges, and here change the light to gray room. Okay, now here go back to the assembly, go to place, and here place the gear 1, open and place it over here and 1 here. Now escape, go to constraint, select the center axis and select the center axis, go to aligned and apply. Okay, similarly select the center axis and the center axis, apply and exit, and drag these 2 gear at top. Go to constraint, select this face, rotate the view and select this bottom face. Okay, apply, select this face, rotate the view and select this bottom face, apply, rotate again. Now exit from this. Now here we want to assemble the third gear or the different type of gear, the center gear. Go to place, select the gear 2, open and place it over here. Escape, this will be only a 1 count. Go to constraint, select this and select this axis, go to aligned and apply, exit. Now here there is one point, here we want to assemble the bearings also. Okay, so 1 bearing will be assembled here and 1 bearing here and 1 bearing here. on which these gear profiles will move. So from here we'll go to place from content center, and here we'll go to shaft parts, go to bearing, and here ball bearing and deep groove ball bearing, and here we are going to take the SKF bearing. Okay, we are going to take the SKF Z series with shell open. Now select this inner face, okay, and rotate the view and select this as resting face. Okay, now rotate. Now select this inner, select this face as resting face. Okay, similarly select this and select this face. Okay, escape. Now here if I want to check which type of bearing is this, select this, right click, and here click on change size. Okay, so it will define you. So I've selected the size designation 609 Z series. Go to table view, and here it will show you all the dimensions. This is a steel, mild steel bearing of SKF series, and here you can see the ID of this will be 9. So okay, so this whole profile will be 9 mm. The OD will be 24. This outer will be 24. The bearing width, the height of the bearing, you can say the width will be 7 mm. Okay, and the rest, the fillet radius and other details are been given. Okay, now okay, so we have assembled two bearings here and one here. As you can see, this bearing is going outside. So here select this first bearing. From here delete this mate 9, right click and delete it. Drag this upside, go to constraint, select this face and select this face of the bearing. Click on flush and apply. Exit. Okay, now this is also assembled properly. Okay, so this will be the complete view. Now here I want, when I move this bearing, so this gear profile should also move, or when I move the gear, this gear, so bearing should also move. Okay, to make that constraint, select this bearing. Okay, open this bearing origin, open origin of this bearing. So this is bearing's origin, and select this gear 1, open the gear 1 origin. Okay, and here select the YZ plane of gear 1 and select the YZ plane of bearing. Go to constraint and apply. Exit. So here when I move this gear, so this bearing will also move. Similarly we will do with this part also. So close this also, and here close this also. Now select this bearing, the last bearing, open the origin, select this gear 1 second part, open the origin, select the YZ plane of this and YZ plane of the bearing. Go to constraint, 0 mm constraint, apply and exit. When you rotate, bearing will also rotate. Okay, now here the next part, you can do the same with this also. When you rotate the this, so the bearing should also rotate. Close this origin, and close this. Select this part, gear 2. From here open the gear 2 origin, and this will be the first bearing. Open this, open the origin, XY plane of gear 2 and XY plane, YZ plane of gear 2 and YZ plane of the bearing. Constrain and apply. Exit. So when you rotate this, so the bearing will also move. Okay, now go to constraint, select this face, rotate the view and select this bottom face, apply and done. Exit. Now here we have now 3 gears, so we have to make a relation, as when we move any of the gear, the 2 other gears should also move. Okay, select this gear, make this gear tooth at center of these two. Okay, now go to constraint. Here go to motion, click on reverse motion. The ratio will be 1. Select this face. Okay, rotate and select this face and apply. Exit. So when I rotate it, go to top view for more clear. When I rotate it, so this will rotate in reverse direction. Okay, similarly we will do this side also. So here we will select this will be at center of these two tooth. Go to constraint and here select this face. Okay, go to motion, ratio will be 1. Take reverse, select this face, rotate and select this face and press OK. When you rotate it, this will also rotate. Go to top view. So when I rotate only this middle gear, so when you rotate this, so both the side gears will also rotate with the bearings. Okay, when I rotate it reverse, so they will rotate reverse. Go to home. Okay, rotate this profile. Now we are going to assemble the other profiles. So we have made the base. Click on this edge. Okay, now we want to pattern this. So go to mirror and here select only the cover, not the bearing. Go to mirror plane, open the gear 1, open origin and select the exit plane. You can see we have already made all the profile in symmetric extrude. So from center we are making a pattern of this cover. Okay, and press next and OK. As this is a fixed part, so there will be no issue if you ground this. Now here also we will assemble the gear. Oh, sorry, bearing. Go to place from content center, click here. Okay, we will take the SKFZ series, double click, select this face and select this bottom face, click OK. So the bearing will be placed here. Okay, now for this also, if I rotate the bearing, the gear should move. So for this, close this, select the YZ plane of this gear 2 and this will be the last. Open the origin of this bearing and YZ plane of this bearing. Click on constraint, apply and exit. So when I rotate this bearing, all the gears will move. Okay, with reference to this. Now we are going to make the covering. So this cover we will assemble the seal. Okay, then we will assemble the rivet. So for cover, from here go to place, select the shell or the seal, open, click here and click here, escape, go to constraint, select the center axis and select the center axis, click on aligned and apply. Similarly, or first assemble this properly, drag this, go to constraint, select this face, rotate the view, select this face, apply. Similarly, select this face first and select this bottom face, apply. Now select the axis, select this axis and here select this axis, click on aligned and apply, exit, go to home. Okay, rotate the view. Now we will assemble the rivet. So for rivet, from here go to place from content center and here we will come out from the shaft parts and we will go to fasteners, click on rivets and we will select the last rivet, rivet JB has T, double click this and here I will select this will be the diameter and this will be the length. So the dia will be of 8 and the length will be 21. Apply and place one rivet here. Escape, and here diameter of 8 and one rivet of 31. Apply and place it over here. Escape and escape again. Exit. Select this, copy and place one more. Paste. Okay. Now this is for the side and this is for the center. As the seal is been added, so the height will increase. Go to constraint, select this face and select this face. Apply, select this axis and select this axis. Click on aligned and apply. Similarly, select this face here and select this face, apply, and here select this axis and select the whole axis, apply, exit. Okay, similarly we will do with this rivet. Go to constraint, select this top face, select this face of the rivet, apply, select the center axis and select the center axis, click on aligned and apply, exit. So this will be the complete assembly. Now when I rotate this, so all the gearings will rotate, or when I rotate this, or when I rotate this. Okay, so this was a basic tutorial to how to construct the assembly model of gear Fidget in Autodesk Inventor. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.